My girlfriend made me cry, and she has no idea. Last Thursday, I surprised my girlfriend by visiting her for a few days. On the second day of my visit, we went out in the morning. So by the afternoon, I was already feeling tired. The last thing I remember is watching something with her before falling asleep. She wakes me up around 8 p.m., exactly telling me she had ordered food for us and that I should go pick it up because it would be arriving soon. Sleepily, I checked my phone and I got confused. I looked at both my Foodpanda and Grab apps, but there was no order. I asked her about it and with the cheeky laugh, and she probably said, "Ako ang nag-order." Then she showed me her Foodpanda app which said out for delivery. Knowing how much I love chicken but unsure of what dish I prefer, nag-order siya ng dalawang magkaibang luto ng chicken. While she had only ordered her favorite dish, kare-kare, for himself, for herself. I won't forget how happy she looked, asking me how the food tastes. I teased her, saying, "Wow, mayabang na, nanlilibre pa." She laughed and responded, "Talaga? Wait mo lang, yayaman tayo. Bibilhin ko lahat ng gusto mo." Oh, silly girl. Di mo lang alam pero mayaman na ang tingin ko sa sarili ko. Simula nung sinagot mo ako, I can wait to marry you. The song it might seem trivial, but when she did nearly brought me to tears. I didn't show her through became I know she would probably cry too. For context, I've been working and I have been covering almost all of our expenses since we started dating. My girlfriend is still studying and has only recently started working as a BA. I've been encouraging her to keep her salary for herself and to spend it on her home needs because she grew up in a family that wasn't financially stable. I want her to enjoy the fruits of her hard work. I know she doesn't have much, but I truly made me happy to see that she didn't hesitate to spend her hard-earned money on me. Even through she still working towards her goals, it's been a few days, but whenever I remember what she did, I can help but smile and cry at the same time. To those wondering, yes, I was the one who recently posted about not being able to obtain the excited about some surprising my girlfriend.